What's up, world? I'm back, and it's at a later time of the day and it's cooler, so I just had to, get the towel and come back out and give you guys an example of how I'm doing it with putting down the cardboard. I went and got actual cardboard this time, although the paper bag will be just fine as long as it's recycled material, keeping it clean, keeping it green. Mass Savvy Production. Again, I am trying to make sure that there's no weeds that are growing up, because they grew and covered my new sproutings to the point that I didn't know which one was weeds and which one was just my actual sprouting. So that's why I am putting down the cardboard again, and that will additionally help with keeping the weeds from coming up. And I'm going to put some oak leaves over this from the larger compost, and then I'm going to follow that up with even more rich coffee compost soil. Yeah, I'm gonna make sure I get it nice and covered up, and I'm gonna do this all the way down to block off all those weeds. Now this is just the oak leaves that I have here. The oak leaves, again, they're high in acidic levels, so they better retain a clean terrain where it's not a lot of growth happening from the weeds, but just so I can see my plants here without any issues and massive growth that I don't want. And this is again how I'm rebuilding the soil. Now I'm gonna wet this down so that the cardboard can, for one, stay in place. I'm gonna wet it down, and that way you can start the decomposing, and the cardboard will act as a natural absorbent and just be, more earth friendly. So we're gonna give it a good soak. As hot as it is out here, they need it. Today's temperature is around 106 with the heat index. So you know why I have to go in and get into a lighter shirt, if you will, short sleeve, super short sleeve, staying hydrated, drinking plenty of water, Gatorade, body armor, everything. Keep those electrolytes going. Coffee compost. Shout out to Jen and Alan for the horse manure, baby. But yeah, I'm just gonna put this over the leaves now for another layer of nutrients and very beneficial compost, coffee compost, like so. And I'm just gonna spread it out. There we go. Oh, back there. I don't even know what that is. This here, I have no idea what that is, because it could be a weed, it could be a new sunflower growing. I have no idea until it sprouts more. So for the future, I will be able to see, because I now have a preventative measure against weeds. So stay tuned, plant fam. Like, subscribe, and of course, you know what else to do. Keep planting.